Well, that's dumb. Alright, whatever. So we are gonna unbox some crazy. Something really crazy. Technically, I'm waiting close to a year. Of patience. Lots and lots of patience here. I definitely packaged it really well. If I'm gonna resell it, I don't think I am. You never know. Just never know. Not sure if you guys could pick this up. Ultra Magnus Omega Prime. Let's take a look like this. Let's take a look. So definitely make that. We have Optimus Prime and we have Blue Bolt on top. And we also have Ultra Magnus. So I guess it's Optimus Prime with Ultra Magnus. Okay, well, I'm gonna open it. That was the back. This is the front. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, sorry about the table. I have been out of it for too long. Not sure if you guys could tell, but it's a different camera that I'm using. I have the first box here. Okay. So I'm guessing this guy's blue. I don't know, I think I might wait and open it, but because I gotta do all this stuff. That's the thing with Transformer toys. You gotta do a lot of things. Here we go. Something here. Ooh, okay. So this is the sword. Go. There we go. So, okay. Oops. Shifting all of my toys here. But there's this. There's that. Alright, Scott. Chill out. Chill out. Ultra Magnus. Okay, there's that. Does he just come off? Ooh, finally. Something that I don't have to like take apart. There we go. So do I see any paint? Don't see any paint. This is no paint. Let's get you the Autobot emblem right there. Okay, so this is really, you know, it's not even die cast. Not too impressed so far. Okay. And we have Big Boy, aka Optimus. Man, for oh man, for such a nice figure, this guy is like pure plastic. Oh man, a little disappointed. I mean, here's the front, here's the top. I don't know. I am not impressed. I don't know, guys. What should I do? Should I assemble it, or should I just, you know, resell it? What did I pay for it? Probably like close to $300. Is this $300? This is HasLab's? Man, not too impressed. Peace out.